Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to automate emails in Mailchimp. If you're sending emails manually every time, you're limiting your growth. Automation is what turns email marketing into a system where emails are sent automatically based on user behavior. Start by opening Mailchimp and logging into your account. From the left sidebar, click on Automations. This is where all automated workflows are created. Automations send emails without manual effort and they respond to user actions automatically. Once you're here, you'll see options like Build from Scratch or Use a Flow Template. For this tutorial, select Build from Scratch. We chose this for full control over the workflow and better for learning how automation works. Now, give your automation a name. Then, click Choose a Trigger. Now select a trigger. For this example, let's choose Send an Email. A trigger is what starts the automation. Next, add a step. You'll see options like Rule, which are conditions and action which send email, update contact, etc. Why this matters? This is the logic of your automation. Now repeat, add step and choose rule or action. You can build multiple stages and create complex workflows. You can also rearrange steps by dragging and dropping them. Once your workflow is complete, click Save and Close. Using Mailchimp automation properly saves time and increases engagement. To summarize, automating emails in Mailchimp involves going to Automations, building a workflow from scratch, setting a trigger, adding steps with rules and actions, organizing them, and saving the automation. This creates a system that sends emails automatically based on user behavior. And that's how to automate emails in Mailchimp. This is where email marketing really becomes powerful, because instead of working manually, you're building systems that work for you. Don't try to build something complex right away. Start with a simple automation, like a welcome email, and build from there. The goal isn't complexity, it's consistency and value. Once you get this right, you'll save time and create a much better experience for your audience. So, that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.